Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. So let's open up quick. Okay, inside we have another packing. That's all, nothing more inside. So let's open this. Okay, here we have the coins. So let's check one by one. Some packets have been opened while transit. Here is the important part of this parcel. Three silver coins. Seems like a normal coin, but all three are silver. So let's open this. The first coin we have here is most of our subscribers and customers know what this coin is. 25 penny, 1910. This is a Switzerland coin, I think so. Sorry, Finland coin, silver coin. So sooner this will be for sale also. And these two are other silver coins. The important one is USA one dime. The year is 1952. You can see 1952. So this is another silver coin. And the next coin we have here is 3 pence of Australia. You can see 1948. And this is also George VI King. So these three are silvers, and other we have some few normal foreign coins. So let's open others. Okay, we have another pouch. Okay, we have another Italy coin. Sorry, I think it's Italy. I hope so. Yes, it's of Italy. We have two of those coins. You can see. This is another different coin. And one more we have here is Tanzania. Tanzania 1966. So let it be there. Okay. So another coin what we have here is, this is a silver coin, I think so. You can see on, okay, this side it is 1883 Hong Kong, 20 cents. You can see clearly 20 cents. At the back we have Victoria Queen. So let it be there. And we have few more foreign coins. And this is 1974 Philippines coin, 1 peso, Philippines. And this I forgot to mention, this is an African coin, 1935 East Africa, 10 cents. During the period of George V the king, you can see here George V. Okay, let it be there. And another coin is Hong Kong 50 cents, 1977. Okay, here we have some, I think these also Italian coins, 1000 layers. Sorry, it's of San Marino. You can see here San Marino. We have three coins. So let it be there. And here we have a set, I think so. Okay. This is a center one is Italy. I think all are Italy. Okay. So this is a kind of set. So that's all inside, nothing more. We have one coin here. Okay. This is Hong Kong $1, 1978. So that's all, guys. Here we have few silver collections, few silvers, and few foreign collections. And we noticed this 1 cent of East Africa, and other collections we have here is 1 shilling of 1949. This also African, East Africa. So that's all for now, guys. We have some foreign coins, silver foreign coins, and that's all for now. Hit the like button.